Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Karen Prince. Today I'm just going to show you guys how I turn this old dress that I no longer like into a crop top. This crop top. So stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just laying my dress flat on the ground. I want it as flat as possible. All right. Then I'm just going to eyeball the center. I'm just kind of visually making sure that I'm centered before I cut. And I'm going to begin to cut going all the way up to the top of the dress. Going to cut it straight through. And then I'll go ahead and cut up along the sides to the waistline. You can measure out your waistline. I knew about where I wanted this to stop, so I just eyeballed that as well. And I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side. Just cut up along that side seam. That side seam will guide you up so you can have a straight line without having to use any type of marking tool. So use that to your advantage and just cut away. Okay, now I am just cutting off the back piece, just cutting straight across. Then guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut that trim off along the top. And that's what you see me doing here, just cutting along the line of that trim. And that is it. That's all you have to do for that. No sewing involved. Okay, so first things first, bust out your favorite strapless bra. You can do this without a bra, but I'm going to use one. First thing you want to do is cross one side over, hold it, cross the other side over, hold that. Then take the first piece that you laid down and push it down through the top of your bra. And that bra is going to help you hold it in place, okay? So this is why I like to use the bra. And then you're going to take that other piece and you're going to stick it up into your shirt from the bottom and pull it out the top and let it hang over. Tighten it to make sure you know it's just tight enough for you, but don't make it too tight because it can mess up the look, but just make it tight enough so that it's not falling off. And that is it. Okay, so for this next look, I'm just going to take the two pieces and I'm going to begin to twist them. And I'm going to actually just tie that behind my back and let those two pieces hang in the back. I thought that I was showing you guys what I was doing in the back, but I was actually out of frame, so please excuse me. But that is it for the second look. It's just basically similar to the first look. You're just tying it behind your back. I just want to add that if you have any loose pieces that look cut that are just kind of poking out, you want to go ahead and just fold those over into itself, or you can tuck them into your bra. Okay, so for this third look, I'm just going to take the two pieces that are hanging down in the front and I'm just going to begin to do like a rope twist down till I get to my waistline where the belt loops are. And then I'm just going to take each side and I'm going to pull them through my belt loops as if you would do like a belt. And once again, I am out of frame. I do apologize for that. But yes, I just put them through the belt loops and then tied them in the back. And that is the third look. Okay, so for this next look, I just began by taking that last look apart, just only the two hanging pieces in the front. Then I'm going to take one piece and sling it toward the back, and I'm going to actually turn around and reach down in through the back of my shirt and pull that piece down. I'm going to pull it down, and then I'm just pulling it around to my side, as you see here, and I'm just going to stick that up under my bra. Okay, so now I'm just taking that other piece and kind of shoving it. First I fold it, then I kind of just shove it down in through the front, just like that. And then I just kind of let it hang into this little design. And I'll rewind that so you can see that again. And that is it for that last look, guys. And here I am just showing you the same exact steps, but I'm just using it on a different color. I actually made two of these today, so this is it in a solid blue, just so you can see in real time how I kind of finesse and tuck and just fix everything so that everything is in place. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you next time. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and as always, if you have any questions, please leave your questions down in the comment section. See you next time, guys. Bye.